Today we are upgrading the RAM on my old laptop, HP 245 G7. The problem is that it's already broken from many parts. It has been replaced many times. So right now it need to be updated. Like I have updated my hard disk. I have updated it to SSD. Now we are going to update the RAM. So it will make the old laptop new. Replacing the old RAM of 4 GB. So we're replacing it the same way, DDR4 RAM. You just need to press it and done. Alright, and you fix it and good to go. Okay, so we'll just check it before we fix everything. So we'll just turn it on. So as you can see, Windows logo is coming up, and yeah, we're ready, good to go. Just fix it. Just press it from all the corner and tighten the screw, and you're done. RAM is upgraded. So replace the 4 GB RAM and installed an 8 GB. This laptop is AMD A6 9225. It has only one slot, so you can only upgrade it up to 8 GB. So that's its best performance. It's a budget laptop, comes around 20 to 22,000. So as you can see, it's booted already. Everything is